Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by double tapping on the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Like this. Once the menu opens, swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of options and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll through the menu and find the time option. It's gonna look like this. Once you find it, tap on it, and here find the this icon, the one with the A. This is the time icon. We need to tap on it. Let me wake up the screen. Tap on it, and here we need to change the time source to manual. And once you change the time source to manual, tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to set the time. And here we can change the hour by swiping left and right. Tap on it, then minutes. Tap on it, and once you're done, the time will be changed. You can also change the time format by selecting selecting this icon, so tapping on this icon, and here you can change the time format if you like to, and you can tap on it once you select it. Then you can go back by tapping on the back button, and that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.